12 reasons why you need to grow peppermint at home and how to do it. Mint or mentha is a natural herb, a member of the Lamiaceae family. It has a pleasant fragrance and taste. It provides cooling properties on the body, so it is usually included in toothpaste, mouthwash, gels or bath foams. Mint is also used in the culinary world, giving the meals a unique flavor. Find out more about the health benefits of mint. 12 reasons why you need to grow peppermint at home. 1. Stimulates digestive function. Mint can relieve the belly and increase digestion, thus treating several digestive issues. It is packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients which have the ability to boost the production of digestive system enzymes. This in turn, relieves any type of problem related to the actual digestive tract. According to many studies, the effectiveness of mint is due to its methyl silicate and menthol content. To prevent indigestion and bloating, consume a few glasses of mint green tea a day. 2. Relieves pain in the head and nausea or vomiting. Due to the strong flavor and fragrance, mint can treat headaches and migraines. To prevent the pain, drink 1 mint tea or apply fresh peppermint. 3. Prevents hiccups. Peppermint water is one of the best natural remedies in the case of hiccups. It is high in menthol, so you should drink 1 glass of it to renew your body and prevent hiccups. 4. Treats pain and swelling during child feeding. Mint is particularly effective for problems such as pain, inflammation and pain during breastfeeding. You should rub the mint on your chests or drink a mint tea to relieve the discomfort and get a complete relief. 5. Ameliorates the memory. According to many studies, mint can effectively increase your memory and thinking. It is also beneficial for relieving forgetfulness. It is recommended to drink a few glasses of mint green tea on a daily basis. 6. Heal a cough along with other respiratory problems. Mint can ease your breathing and treat any kind of respiratory system issue. In cases of common cold, rub mint lotion on your upper body or apply a few peppermint leaves. To improve your inhaling and exhaling, inhale peppermint tea or consume this tea a few times a day. 7. Encourages weight loss. Due to its ability to boost digestive function and boost the production of digestive system enzymes, peppermint aids weight loss as well. 8. Strengthens the immune system. Peppermint is packed with calcium, phosphorus, vitamins B, C, D, E, and phytochemicals which can strengthen your immune system and prevent the common cold and various infections. 9. Helps in the therapy of cancer. Mint can help in treating liver, pores, and skin, colon and lung malignancy. A study showed that mint can prevent the supply related to blood in the cancer tissues. This results in more effective chemotherapy or radiation therapy. 10. Treats breathing difficulties, asthma. Mint leaves can effectively treat numerous problems in the respiratory system including difficulties with your breathing. It contains rosmarinic acidity, a substance with potent antioxidant properties that can prevent allergic reactions. 11. Enhances your mood. Mint has the ability to improve your work time and memory space. It increases the production of serotonin in your mind and transforms your mood. 12. Improves oral health. It is no wonder why mint is included in toothpaste and mouthwash. Mint leaves have potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which can prevent the development of germs in the mouth. To enhance your dental health and prevent various problems, apply a few peppermint leaves in your mouth and gum line every day. How you can grow peppermint at home. This is very easy and simple process. Because of the specific underlying system, you can grow the herb through leaves or use peppermint leaves. Take a 12-16 inches broad pot. Fill it with soil and plant the mint tea leaf in. Place the pot in a sunny area. Once it reaches 6 inches, trim it. To make sure the herb stays in place, you will also need to trim the flower buds. It is not recommended to harvest more than a third of the leaves because you may lose your plant. Use the mint leaves to boost the flavor of your meals and improve your general health.